Mastering hot work permits. Suitable PPE for hot work tasks is only guaranteed through deliberate selection. Where can it be ensured that the personal protective equipment, PPE, is suitable for the specific hot work task being performed? In the context of hot work permits and operational excellence, it is crucial to ensure that the personal protective equipment, PPE, is suitable for the specific hot work task being performed. To achieve this, a thorough risk assessment should be conducted to identify the hazards associated with the hot work task. This risk assessment should be performed by a competent person who has a thorough understanding of the hot work process, the materials involved, and the potential hazards that may arise. As part of the risk assessment, the following factors should be considered. The type of hot work being performed, e.g., welding, cutting, grinding. The materials being worked on, e.g., metal, wood, plastic. The potential hazards associated with the task, e.g., sparks, heat, toxic fumes. The environmental conditions in which the work will be performed, e.g., indoor versus outdoor, confined space. Based on the risk assessment, the necessary PPE can be selected and ensured to be suitable for the specific hot work task. This may include fire-resistant clothing and aprons to protect against sparks and heat, welding helmets and face shields to protect against UV radiation and sparks, respiratory protection, such as respirators or masks, to protect against airborne contaminants, gloves and safety glasses to protect against cuts and abrasions, steel-toed boots and safety shoes to protect against foot injuries. The suitability of the PPE should be verified through a combination of procedures, including visual inspections of the PPE to ensure it is in good condition and free from damage, functionality checks to ensure that the PPE is operating correctly, certification and validation of the PPE to ensure it meets relevant industry standards, training and competency assessments to ensure that the personnel performing the hot work task are aware of the hazards and know how to use the PPE correctly. Furthermore, the hot work permit system should be integrated with the organization's operational excellence program to ensure that the PPE is not only suitable for the task but also that it is used correctly and consistently. This can be achieved by including PPE requirements in the hot work permit procedure, conducting regular audits and inspections to ensure compliance with the PPE requirements, providing training and refresher training to personnel on the use and maintenance of PPE, encouraging a culture of safety and accountability, where personnel are empowered to speak up if they identify any concerns or issues with the PPE. By following this approach, the organization can ensure that the PPE is suitable for the specific hot work task being performed, and that it is used correctly and consistently, thus minimizing the risk of accidents and injuries.